We've got a little challenge going on here. This 1890s house that we've lived in for 25 years has become an Airbnb, and some of the rooms are really dated, and one of the rooms is a living room. So the challenge today is, can I take this, I'd say 90s living room furniture, and can I add a little punch, a little fall punch to make it look a little nicer for my fall guests that will be coming in the next couple weeks? I'm Peggy, and welcome to Garden House Studio, where we DIY just about everything we can touch. I've been in the home tech business for a lot of years, and I know what a difference a few new throw pillows can make to your home decor. So I purchased this set of 4 pillow covers on Amazon. They're 4 different fall colors, and they're perfect to add a little bit of fall punch to my decor. And one is green, one is yellow, one is burnt orange, and one is just a bright, nice pumpkin orange. They all come with invisible zippers, and they are 20 inches square, and I am putting a 22-inch pillow form and down and feather into every one. I will link everything from Amazon in the description below. And everything that we are making, I will have PDFs for also in the description below. I have loved this clock since we made it. We made it from an old barrel, but I am going to put a wreath up there to add a little bit of color. So I have this great wreath. It's called the Appalachia Berry Leaf. Again, wreath. We got it on Amazon, and it's just full of berries and leaves and the reds and the oranges, and it's very light and airy, and it has a very natural feel to it. And that is what I am putting on the wall behind the couch. And I will link that in the description below. So now it's time to work on that couch. So this is what it looks like now. It has some off white and striped pillows and some bluish green turquoise lumbar pillows. But the couch is only been kept because it's a sleeper, which works for the Airbnb so well. But next year we're going to replace it. So I don't want to spend a real lot of money here in the living room, but I am going to do throw pillows every time the season changes. So here are my 4 throw pillows, and there's the pillow that I made, and we have a video of it. We made that with the IOD fruitful harvest pillow, and there is a video for that if you're interested in making one. I like to add a basket to the living room so people have somewhere to put the pillows if they don't want to have them all on the sofa. And I have a couple throws. One is that burnt pumpkin color, and then I have another textured one, which is kind of a gray linen, and those 2 are going on the sofa also. Now it's time to work on the coffee chest. It's a coffee table. It's actually a chest that we did some decoupage on. It's a very antique chest, and we use it to keep the linens in that actually go on that sofa that turns into a sofa bed. So I am making a table runner, and I like my table runner to be about 11 inches wide. So that is how I make it. And there it is, all done. I loved that fabric. So there are the pumpkins that we made, and there's also a video for the pumpkins that we made out of flannel. These are actually made out of a plaid fabric, which I purchased on Amazon as a square fat quarters, and I had 12 different ones. So I made these pumpkins, which are super, super fun to make. I put some acorns and some pine cones in the wooden bowl. And then I'm repeating that wooden display, wooden bowl, a wooden sugar mold, and just a little wooden jar. And there we have that. So if you'd like to make the plaid pumpkins, there's also a video for that. The very last thing I did after we did all of these little things I made an arrangement for a side table, and I used these Jackie Baby's Breath orange yellow picks, which I also got on Amazon, and they are just perfect for adding a little bit of yellow gold to the living room where we have quite a bit of brown going on. So I am going to put them inside that vase, that green vase that you see there, and I'm going to make an arrangement. But I decided I would like to have some more greenery. So I'm putting this fern in the vase first to kind of hold the design. And then I'm just going to keep adding these really, really pretty yellow, orange baby's breath. And you can see they just are a beautiful contrast with the green. I'm using them full length and I'm bending them or cutting them, and they're perfect. Love this color, and I love the way the arrangement came out. So did I meet the challenge? Did I update that living room just enough to give a little welcoming fall refresh? Let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you at the next video.